Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a closer look at InVideo.ai, a popular AI-powered video creation tool. If you're looking to make high-quality videos without spending hours editing, this could be the solution you need. But the big question is InVideo.ai truly the best video generation out there, or is it just another overhyped tool? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal opinion and research. Always do your own homework before diving into any new tool. According to InVideo.io, InVideo.ai promises to help you create professional quality videos in minutes. Whether you're a marketer, social media manager, or content creator, the tool offers a variety of templates and AI-powered features to automate much of the video creation process. You can easily turn text into video, use pre-built templates, and even customize it with a library of stock footage. On Trustpilot, InVideo.ai holds a 3.1-star rating from 849 reviews. Here's a breakdown. 67% of users gave it 5 stars. Many mentioned the tool's efficiency and ease of use. 23% left 1-star reviews, with some users disappointed by hidden fees. One user said it advertises as free, but after making an account and writing a summary, I had to pay to use it. Total waste of time. However, many people also praised their customer service, saying it was surprisingly helpful, with the one reviewer specifically mentioning how staff like Frank and Mac were supportive in resolving issues. So is InVideo.ai worth it? In short, yes, but with some caveats. The AI video generation is solid, and the tool is user-friendly, which makes it great for beginners or people in a rush. However, the pricing structure could be frustrating for some users expecting a truly free options, especially if you're just testing it out. If you're looking for a comprehensive tool with good customer support and don't mind paying for the premium features, InVideo.ai might be perfect for you. And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.